My name is Brian, and I started Original Classics as a passion project. I've always had a passion for cars, and I've always had a passion to make videos. So why not put everything together? I chose the name Original Classic because I think everyone thinks their car is original, and as time goes by, it'll become classic. The main idea for this channel is to show the YouTube world how crazy BC's car scene is. I want to take you on this journey to check out some rides and see where this thing takes me. Alright, so the first interview is obviously going to be of myself and my 1980 Pontiac Trans Am. So this is my 1980 Trans Am. Everything's pretty much stock. It comes with a 4.9 liter V8 301 cubic inch turbo. The only thing I've done so far is put the wheels on it. Got 20s in the front, 22s in the back. And pretty much it. Everything is stock. I just cleaned it up. Cleaned it up from the inside out. Funny story is this car, this year and model was actually my dad's first car when he first moved here to Canada. And the funny story is the car in front of me is my first car when I was a kid. It's pretty cool to have both my dad and my first car in my garage. Future mods, I'm probably not going to do anything to it because in a couple of years it'll probably be worth a pretty penny. There was only about 5,600 of these made, and I have one of them. Alright, let's take this thing out and get some rollers.
It's woke up, baby.